Hi sir, good afternoon. Welcome to Oppo. So, introduce ko lang sa inyo ang pinakabago naming unit which is Oppo Reno 13F 4G. So, discuss ko lang po ang ating special features which is meron tayong tinatawag na IP69 underwater photography na kung saan pwede pong ilubog sa tubig ang ating phone for 30 minutes up to 2 meters deep. So, all you have to do is just go to camera, click more, underwater, and then capture. For capturing photo, we just tap or press volume up. And for capturing video, just press volume down. And pwede ka nang mag-capture ng video underwater. And after that, long press mo lang yung power button for 3 seconds para if ever na napasukan siya ng tubig, i-release niya yun lahat palabas. At the same time, in terms of processor, kung gamer kayo, naka-Qualcomm Snapdragon na rin to. Naka 120 Hz yung refresh rate. And yung RAM niya is 16 GB of RAM and the storage is 256 GB of ROM. Additional features of Oppo Reno 13F 4G is meron tayong tinatawag na AI editor. So, say for example, nag-picture ka sa park and then maraming mga photo bomber, all you have to do is just edit, click AI editor, AI eraser, and then remove people. In a single click, lahat po ng photo bomber sa background is mari-remove instantly. Just wait for 100%. Make sure lang na meron tayong internet connection. This is the comparison of picture na meron mga photo bomber and then yung AI eraser na ginamit natin. And then press done and save. Next is we have, say for example, destination kayo, then gusto mong picturean yung city lights view. So, syempre dahil may glass na nakapagitan doon sa view, meron tayong tinatawag na glass reflection. So, syempre pangit siya tingnan. Saan ka naman nakakita yung sky, merong ilaw, di ba? So, in a single click, just edit AI editor and then remove reflection. Mabubura niya lahat ng mga reflection sa picture mo. Ayan, and this is the comparison. Original shot and then yung na-edit. Next is, meron naman tayong tinatawag na AI Unblur. So sa AI Unblur, say for example, yung pet mo or yung anak mo, pinicturan mo kaso malikot, medyo malabo yung picture. So, i-delete mo na siya. So, wag mong gagawin yon kasi pwede natin yan ma-edit. So, edit mo lang, AI editor, and then select mo lang yung unblur. So, yung mga special moments na na-capture nyo, hindi mo kailangang i-delete. So, this is the comparison. Original shot, and then yung using AI unblur. And the last one is, say for example, yung lumang pictures ng lola at lolo nyo, pwede mong gawing 4K resolution. Ito naman yung kailangan mong gawin. This is the old photo. Yan, click mo lang yung photo, edit, select AI editor, and then enhance clarity. Few moments later. AI under muna natin. And then, select mo yung AI enhance clarity. Then, save copy. This is the original shot. Mapapansin mo, blur talaga siya, lalo pag zoom out. And then, eto na po yung ginawa nating 4K resolution. Sobrang amazing, di ba? So, that would be all for now. Thank you. So, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Grab nyo na po ang Oppo Reno 13F 4G. Drop by na kayo dito sa SM Fairview Concept Store. For only 17,999 pesos. Ngayon po naka-promo kami, less 1,000 pesos at may free pa kayong Oppo Enco Buds 2 na worth 1,999 pesos. Andito po. Yan na. Ito yung makukuha nyong freebies for today pag nag-avail kayo ng Oppo Reno 13F 4G worth 1,999 pesos. Limited offer lang yan. So, ano pang hinihintay nyo guys? Drop by na kayo dito sa Oppo Concept Store SM Purview.